Wow! This jungle looks so big!
Remember, we must take care of nature.
Yes, the jungle is our friend too. Look! Something is shining over there. Maybe it's a hidden treasure. Let's go check it out! Hurry! A box. What's inside? Wow! Glowing golden seeds! Wow! Glowing golden seeds! Maybe these can help the jungle grow stronger. These are seeds of friendship. If planted with love, they protect the forest forever. Let's plant them and take care of nature together.
The jungle is smiling now.
See? When we care for nature, it cares for us too. And let's keep making our world beautiful together.
Always.
And teamwork makes everything possible.
We learned something today.
Yes, friendship and kindness make magic real.
Protect nature, share kindness, and adventure will never end.